Let's take a tour of the Fairfield Inn and Suites in Asheboro, North Carolina. This is the lobby area as you enter, and there is a business center right there in the corner on the right-hand side. Nice and bright and airy and modern. They do have this complimentary beverage station set up all the time, which we enjoyed. This is going to be the breakfast room that you'll see in just a minute later in the video. So this is a room tour. We had a king-size room. It was on the second floor. I just can't remember what number it was. We were overall very satisfied with this hotel. It was a really great place to stay. Let me just show you. This is going to be the view outside the window. This was overlooking the pool area. So during our stay, we found the bed to be super comfortable. Really happy with this hotel. Refrigerator, microwave as well. There are multiple hotels at this exit or this area, and I think there was about 4 of them, and they were all different types of brands. So if you are somebody that loves the Marriott, this is a great location. We definitely recommend this hotel, but just keep in mind that this is a popular destination for a lot of different hotels in Asheboro, which is a great place to visit. You can go to the zoo, and then there's so much more to do in Asheboro. We really enjoyed the breakfast, especially the hot items. They were actually quite good, and I'm pretty picky about hotel breakfast. So I will show you a little bit more about what the breakfast buffet looked like. Just keep in mind this location was about 15 minutes from the North Carolina Zoo, which is one of the most popular things to do in Asheboro. It was very convenient to get there. It was easy parking at the hotel, and then it was pretty easy to get to the zoo from this location. So again, I highly recommend staying at the Fairfield Inn and Suites while in Asheboro. I have more details about what to do in Asheboro. I'll put that link in the description below.